Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well guys, when you guys talk, I listen, because I know from earlier on that I've had so many requests for the mini Palm Springs backpack. I had to think about that. So today's the day when I am going to unbox a bag that you guys have been wanting to see for a really long time. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I had no interest in this bag whatsoever when I started searching for this, and I thought, you know what, so many people are asking, I'll just get one, I'll just get one in, I'll just buy one and I'll do a review. And if I don't want it, I can always, you know, give it away or something. So I had the opportunity to order this bag in, and during the time it took to arrive, which was not very long, I have now done a 180. And I feel like I'm completely obsessed with this bag. When I first saw this bag, I didn't get it. I didn't understand why people wanted it. It was the backpack. I just didn't get it. And then I saw someone wearing it as a crossbody. And I was like, ding! And ever since, my obsession has grown. So, first thing I'm going to tell you is it arrived like this. Now, I was not going to do an unboxing for you guys because I thought we've seen the unboxings before, even from this supplier. We've seen them before. Do we really need to have a look at them again? And as soon as I opened this box, I got the shock of my life. The shock of my life. And I thought, oh, wait, I'm going to have to do this on camera so that we can unbox it together. Now, it came in this really strange box, which I think was supposed to be folded and all that kind of stuff. And when I opened it, this is what I saw. Can you believe this? This is a Louis Vuitton shipping box. A Louis Vuitton shipping box. I have never seen this before, ever. But I know that they exist. Unbelievable. And this is as far as I got, guys, because I did not want to open it anymore and I wanted to do it with you. Wow, okay, obviously we've got the bag, which looks really beautiful. We've got the ribbon, which is like blue cotton Louis Vuitton ribbon with the orange Louis Vuitton, spot on. We've got this little leather trim information card, which comes with all their monogram type of goods. We've got this little booklet. Okay, that's the box. Let's get into the goods. Can't believe we spent 6 minutes just doing the packaging. I'm so excited, and I need to tell you guys, today's not my filming day, but I was so excited to take this out of the box so I could use it that I was like, stuff it, I'll just film today so that I can have a look at it. Oh wow. Louis Vuitton dust bag is absolutely perfect and spot on. Monogram backpack in the mini size. You guys, you need to tell me if I should give away one of these bags in my next giveaway, because so many of you guys are going absolutely nuts over this bag. Oh my goodness, guys, even the way the canvas feels, it's got the right texture. Oh my god, okay, let me get all this off. So excited, I'm so excited, I'm so excited. Obviously you can see here there's two designs of this backpack. And the older version of this, the zipper was actually a lot deeper, and there was a lot of complaints that people couldn't zip it in, open and close it, and it was a pain in the bum. And they, I think, had a lot of returns or refunds. So when they redesigned this bag, they pushed this zipper out, so now it's exposed. You can sort of see there's still a little lip there, but it's more exposed, and it should be a lot easier to zip and unzip. Wow, this canvas, I never thought I knew that much about the canvases, but like, it is incredible. Incredible. Stitching is amazing. Let's open it. Let's do the test. Beautiful. Beautiful, smooth, no issues at all. look at all of this. Oh, and then there was stuffing. Then there is 2 straps. Let's undo them and have a look. Again, guys, for more information, head to my Instagram. Okay, first thing I'm going to say, guys, is the hardware, even on this strap, is the tiniest hardware I've ever seen. The logo is so refined. I am absolutely blown away. Blown away. Wow. Alright, I'm going to clip them on. Hope for the best. I cannot wait to use this. I'm really not a backpack person, guys. I have tried to wear a couple of backpacks in the past, and even though I love how comfortable they are and how practical they are. So it's canvas lined, which is amazing. Like, that is quality. If you guys saw my multi-pochette video, I was horrified, is probably a light term, on the lining of that bag, because there was no lining. It was raw and the seams were just bounded, which I was absolutely shocked for the price of a bag like that. This one has beautiful lining, quite thick and luxurious, black with lines, looks identical. It's got Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain as well. I mean, this bag is not going to fit a huge amount, you know, we know this, it's a mini, but I think I'll be able to fit all my essentials no problem, because it's like one bucket. Then there's this front pocket. I mean, is this going to be easy to get to? I mean, it's so small. Like, oh, you could, if you had something in there that you don't access very often, like a, I don't know, a spare key for the house or something, you could definitely put that in there. If you, maybe you could put some cards in there that you may not use very much. That's a sort of a good spot for that. Oh my god, guys, I'm kind of in love. Let's do the test. I'm going to grab my bag contents and we're going to see if we can fit everything in. I have gotten all my stuff and put it there. First thing we're going to do is put my little makeup bag in. Put my wallet in. This is not really a what's in my bag. I'm just shoving stuff in, guys, to see what fits. My mask, hand sanitizer, mints, my sunglasses. So weird. I've actually got like dome ones at the moment, and they kind of fit at the top of this bag quite nicely. I might put my keys in here. Is that going to be annoying to get in and out of? I don't know. I'll just put my 2 keys in there, like so. I'm not even going to zip it up because it's pretty secure. Okay, so the sunglasses would fit, but outside of this case, because this top bit is really hard. So I just pop them in there, and then I'll grab my phone. My phone usually stays on me anyway, but for the sake of this exercise, so that I can show you guys what fits, my phone is not like, my phone isn't reaching right down to the bottom here, because I've stuffed it with mints and everything else. So I have put it in, but it's just sort of on the top side, you know, if that makes sense. But it all fits, and there's a bit of room. That is amazing. That is amazing. Wow. The leather tabs and everything is super soft. It's really nice and buttery. So I really, really like that. Don't know what this is for. If someone can tell me, that would be great. Like, because there's hooks there, so you wouldn't use that to hook it anywhere, so I don't know. Maybe it's hooking on something else. Well, there you have it, guys. I mean, it's quite heavy, right, with all your stuff in it. I find it's quite heavy. I am in love. Okay, guys, there you have it. Now you guys know the drill. If you want more information about my bags, you need to head to my Instagram. What do you guys think? I think this is going to be my absolute new obsession. I really hope you liked this video. Thank you so much, guys, for inspiring me to get this bag. I am utterly obsessed, and I think I'm going to be using it for a really long time. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like this video. It really helps my video out and my channel out. I hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.
Fall in love, just wanna fall.